Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use an ETRADE retirement account. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up and managing your retirement account with ETRADE. First, you need to open an account with ETRADE. To do this, go to the ETRADE website and click on the Open an Account button. You will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have filled out the application, you will need to fund your account with an initial deposit. Next, you will need to choose the type of retirement account you want to open. ETRADE offers a variety of options, including traditional and Roth IRAs, as well as employer-sponsored plans such as 401k and 403b. Each type of account has its own rules and regulations, so it is essential to understand the differences before making a decision. Once you have opened and funded your account, you can start investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. ETRADE offers a range of investment products and tools to help you make informed decisions. You can also take advantage of their retirement planning tools, which can help you determine how much you need to save for retirement and create a personalized investment plan. To manage your account, you can log in to the ETRADE website or use their mobile app. From here, you can view your account balance, track your investments, and make changes to your portfolio as needed. You can also set up automatic investments, which allow you to transfer a fixed amount of money from your bank account to your retirement account on a regular basis. It is essential to understand the fees associated with your ETRADE retirement account. ETRADE charges a variety of fees, including management fees, trading fees, and maintenance fees. You can find a full list of fees on the ETRADE website. Finally, it is crucial to monitor and adjust your retirement account regularly. You should review your account at least once a year to ensure that your investments are still aligned with your retirement goals. You can also take advantage of ETRADE's retirement planning tools to help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and taking advantage of the tools and resources offered by ETRADE, you can create a successful retirement plan and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, understand the fees and risks associated with your investments, and consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized advice.